I should have picked up something at the rim. Cause when people not guilty, them not for run behind nothing so. And the only thing that me hear the whale say when me did blood clot agree with.
Fresh
He
drop.
like to threaten females, you know when
But me not really bring up Jabba's with she. Me not doing it.
56
because
months
trying to look like in the process. But from the truth have to talk, it have to talk.
He already committed a crime. Yes, the blackmail is a crime. It's kind of it's categorized as extortion, like. You understand what I'm saying? So he already committed a crime, Shay. Anna, when them send David from foreign in shooter. He now have to go blood clot worry about fear pussy where she send go give me now because guess what? Him deal with all them victim them like this. This is what him do. So the next woman now who are gonna pick up Jabbas supposed to be scared.
Fresh
So
drop.
all of them female we are gonna go up on Jabbas side. Only is a set of dog shit.
Yeah.
Because what Jabbas do, this is how Jabbas deal with woman and female. So you, Anna, when they are foreign right now, we are sending Jabbas all of your money. I make Jabbas a can you about picking it sick and blood clot bar this and that. Anna, good luck. Because Roger and Shane are going to have to defend you.
Blingers, she not for worry about that. You know why me not worry about Anna? Jabbas tell me once. Say him no ramp with them, him hold them and chop out them head. So here what happen.
Yeah, because him name called Boss Scamming when they are Shane.
Me not for worry about she.
Because
she gonna get her proper fix. Cause me not tell lie on people. And him look on me. And then I'm torn. And tell me say him no ramp for hold them and chop out them head. When him chop out them head, him take a breeze and then him come back.
We have to stop Jabbas, females. We have to stop Jabbas and those.
So she have her own mountain.
It's long time. Remember, a lot of people name call and rape. But we have never seen a mugshot or hear anything. And from them time, we should have pre-Jabbas.
Popular YouTuber and TikTok influencer Nashane Findlay, also known as Jabbas, who was recently arrested and charged following allegations that he raped a close family member, was today offered $600,000 bail when he appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court.
Fresh
The
drop.
28-year-old was arrested on January 28 and later charged with rape and indecent assault.
Charged with rape. This a fuck rape. That's why me I tell him, say if him put out the picture, him a go right back at jail. So he must know if him want blood clot, go back in another cell there. Go sit down.
Pussy, I forgot to delete that by force.
Can't him release that? Me now come up on the platform until we
You have to go delete by force.
That boy are wicked.
I know you release the girl body parts, boy. Me run out for you every day. Till she get justice.
Well, if you stop support fuckery, he's a man, they a woman. They is a female.
Oh, they have mother.
Choose
Support one man in a blackmail on the mother.
So here one you know. You see the side of the internet where build evidence and build text message and go to people become the witness. Me one can't go over blood clot there so. Because of them, did care Peter Gay come, say him great Peter Gay. So we draw a chair because it's going to be a festive summer.
Remember him no have nowhere for run. Him can't trick nobody no more.
Never say if you calm down, get two blood clots wicked.
Come
There's
on,
a
one
wicked
thing,
boy.
good for nothing. You really see the deep waters them where you're in, you're still out here blackmail woman.
Fresh drop.
Because after the Peter Gay allegation, them he done done with all wickedness when me had do to woman. Cause if me was a wicked to woman and me see that, me that say, oh shit, me nearly get caught. So me that just done with all wickedness. Because what you know, life now really treat me bad. Me have a look at bar around. Me have a look at this and go on. Me no need fear do certain fucker now. So me left that in the past and move forward. But here we now, use a blood clot woman abuser by blood.